Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Today, guys, I've got a very special 1955 Ford F100 for you. It's done in a beautiful, like brown metallic, or what I call root beer color. Absolutely beautiful. This truck is supporting a 5.0 Coyote engine, fuel injected underneath the hood, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission with a Ford 9-inch rear end in the back to get all that power to the ground. This truck can be driven anywhere. It has ice cold AC, custom interior, custom walnut wood bed, and an electronic bed cover in the back, sorry there. But overall, this truck is very nice. All the chrome, all the paint work is in excellent condition. You've got a custom powder coated frame underneath. This thing is absolutely beautiful. But let's go ahead and walk around the truck here. As we look at the fender here, in your hood, all your gaps are really nice on this truck. All your glass on this truck is new. Your drip rails look fantastic. I mean, this paint is absolutely beautiful, and out here in the sunlight, it just shines so nice. It just looks really good. You've got your billet specialty wheels here that have the paint match center there. Definitely gives it a nice custom look. You got some nice chrome mirrors here. Check out your gaps here on your doors. Look really, really nice. All the way down here. I always like to open up the doors and just show you how well these shut. Barely have to put any pressure there. If we look at your running boards here, they're also paint matched with some nice stainless steel work there, or I believe that's chrome actually, but it looks really nice, super clean, and it pops really good when you're looking at the truck. As we look at the bedside here, your rear fender here is in excellent condition. The bed is all nice. There's no paint defects. I mean, the paint is very, very nice on this truck. As we walk around the back side of the truck here, you've got your tailgates all been shaved and smooth. You got a custom roll pan out the back here with some custom tail lights, and you've got dual exhaust coming right out the back so you can hear that beautiful 5.0 Coyote motor. You do have some gold leaf accents here on the back with the Ford logo, as well as the classic V8 logo on the top with some custom pinstriping, but overall very nice. Let's go ahead and hit this electric switch here to lift up the bed cover so I can show you what that does. Super cool custom touch here. The switch is right inside here, inside the door here. So now that this is open, you can see inside here, you do have a beautiful walnut bed. All the flooring has been done. You've got the stainless steel slots there that just look really, really nice on this truck. But overall, very beautiful. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and move to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. Check out this beautiful custom interior. It's a leather with a ostrich skin type material here. It just really pops with the colors of the exterior of the truck. You do have a 1939 Ford steering wheel. Horn works on it. That's a really rare steering wheel that's in excellent condition. You do have some custom classic style gauges here as well. Like I mentioned earlier, you do have cold AC. You've got that 6-speed automatic transmission that just drives this truck beautifully. But overall, the interior is very nice in here. Carpet's in great condition. You do have some custom floor mats as well, but overall, very, very nice. You do have a storage compartment here that you can, that has your radio. You do have a charging station here for your cigarette lighter and USB cords, but overall, very nice, super clean interior, and very comfortable, I will say. Another thing that I'd like to mention is we have all the documents on this truck as far as either receipts or manuals for anything that was put on the truck. Got a full folder here full of stuff that comes with the truck. This is really nice when you maybe run into an issue with the truck and you need to do some diagnosing with it. You can look back in the manuals, or if you need to order another part, the receipts are in here for it. But this truck is absolutely fantastic, and it's a fresh build, so you shouldn't have any issues with that. But overall, very nice on the interior. Let's go ahead and move to the next part, my favorite part, and that's taking this for a drive. All right, guys, I got a little excited. We skipped the engine bay part, so before we take this beautiful truck for a drive, let's go ahead and show you the engine bay. You have this custom suicide hood here. Super cool. I really like these on the Ford F100s. It definitely allows you to show off that beautiful engine bay. As you can see, they did stuff that 5.0 Coyote engine underneath the hood here. Looks really nice with that custom engine cover. You got the Looney Tune cartoon there. You got the Wile E. Coyote and the Roadrunner. Kind of cool because he actually caught the Roadrunner in this little paint scheme here. Pretty cool because this is a Coyote engine. You do have an aluminum radiator. You do have that dual intake, which is really cool. That is also paint matched to the truck. You've got all your reservoirs here, long or shorty headers. and a few other upgrades on this truck. Like I mentioned, it does have cold AC, but overall a very clean engine bay, very well done, and it looks fantastic, guys. But let's go ahead and get to my favorite part, and let's go take this one for a drive. All right, guys, we're out taking this beautiful 55 F100 for a drive. So far, I'm very, very impressed. Transmission shifts really nicely. The steering is really tight on this truck. Almost handles like a sports car. The gauges work like they should. AC's blowing cold. This bench seat is very, very comfortable. You have this armrest here that you can lean on if you need to. Gives you some stability inside the truck when you're making turns. The brakes feel awesome. Overall, the truck's interior is very nice and everything works like it should. Also, the way the truck drives is fantastic. I mean, you can tell that this is a fresh build. Everything is really tight, but overall, just a really nice driving truck. But once we get down here to the dead end, we'll turn around. I'll get on her a little bit. Not going to try to beat on this truck too much just for the fact that it is such a nice truck, but I do want to show you that the truck does perform very well. So we'll get on down here to the dead end here in just a few minutes or a few seconds. I'll turn her around and then we'll stab the gas a little bit, just see what she's got. But overall, like I said, the one thing that I am really impressed is the steering. This is a rack and pinion steering truck, so the steering is really, really nice. The suspension on this truck is set up really nice too. Not a bunch of body roll, but not too stiff that it's, you know, bouncy in here. It's got a really nice ride. But we'll go ahead and step on the gas here. That's literally like half throttle, guys, and it was trying to break the tires loose. So this truck definitely gets down with that 500 horsepower Coyote motor under the hood and the 6-speed automatic transmission. This thing will get down. So you could definitely beat up on some Camaros or whatever is on the street, Chevelles. This thing is definitely fast and would surprise just about anybody that pulls up next to you. But let's go ahead and get back to the shop and let's put this beautiful truck on the lift so I can show you how nice the bottom side is. All right, guys, we're back at the shop. We got the truck up on the lift. We'll start up front here. Check out how beautiful this frame looks in this custom brown. You've got independent front suspension here with coilovers, rack and pinion steering. You have a remote oil filter here mounted right on the front. Makes it really easy to get to, really nice. Like I said, that rack and pinion steering really makes a difference in how this truck handles. You got that custom cross member here. Really clean under here, no leaks. Everything is nice and dry. You have that dual exhaust that goes all the way out the back with an H-pipe. You do have your kill switch over here as well. But look at the detail on the bottom of this truck. They took a lot of time, a lot of love to build this truck. It is absolutely beautiful underneath. No signs of any kind of rust or anything like that. It's very clean under here. And even your floor pans are done in that beautiful brown color with like an undercoating. It looks really, really nice. As we work our way back here, you do have a custom aluminum drive shaft to get that power to your 9-inch rear end back here. You do have a 4-link system here with coilovers on it as well. And you've got MagnaFlow mufflers that just sound awesome with that Coyote breathing through them. You do have a custom aluminum tank back here. Your fuel pump is inside the tank here. So no inline fuel pump, it is in the tank, which is, in my opinion, a big plus. And you got the dual tips that come right out the middle to give it a little bit of a sporty look. But guys, overall, this is a very high-end build. Probably the nicest truck that I've ever seen in person here at the showroom. Very high-end, very nice build, custom paint, custom interior, custom underneath. I mean, this is as nice as they get, guys. If you're interested in this F100, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for my partner Justin, or you can ask for me, and we'll be happy to help you with shipping, financing, anything you need to get this beauty parked in your garage. But guys, with that being said, we're going to wrap up this video and we'll catch you on the next one.